Perth, Western Australia. Police Force Cars. Perth's finest. The 000 Heroes. A live-action adventure. In cinemas this winter, but that hasn't stopped me from dreaming big. Today, I am proving to all of Perth that your challenges don't define you. Your imagination does. I am beyond excited to finally announce that after months of secret meetings, writing sessions, and hard work, I have officially written the script for a brand new blockbuster movie in partnership with the Western Australia Police Force. Introducing Perth's finest, the 000 Heroes. This isn't just any movie. It's a massive live-action CGI hybrid adventure. Imagine Disney Pixar's Cars, but set right here in our own backyard. We are talking about the iconic blue and white Silito Tartan fleet coming to life to protect our streets. The plot. When a mysterious crime spree hits the city of Gosnells, the fleet springs into action. Watch Brax, Cash, and the crew race through high-octane chases in Maddington, Armadale, and Kelmscott. The stakes have never been higher as the ultimate showdown happens at the Paraquad Industries Op Shop and Book Bazaar in Shenton Park. The all-star voice cast highlights Steve Peacock, Brax, the legendary Ford Falcon Interceptor, Nicholas Cartwright, Cash Newman, the heavy-duty Toyota Hilux Paddy Wagon, Ray Meager, Alf Stewart, the classic vintage Holden Kingswood, special appearance WA Police Commissioner Cole Blanche as the chief SUV. Save the date, June 1st, 2026. Location, Hoyts Cannington. Screen 1, Row J, Seat M. This movie is a celebration of our community, from the beauty of Elizabeth Quay to the heights of Kings Park. It's about family, courage, and being a hero, no matter who you are. Exclusive updates. All official trailers and making-of clips will be posted exclusively on the Martin channel on YouTube. Use only generated images. Make the background music. Liffey is a highway song from Disney Pixar's Cars. Use a female American young kid's voice for Speaker 2. Use Disney Pixar style.